After walking for quite a while, I was surprised by this waterfall. Felt a mix of surprise and awe, captivated by the beauty of the hidden waterfall cascading before my very eyes. The unexpected sight filled me with a sense of wonder and joy, as if nature had shared a secret treasure just meant for me to see. This hidden waterfall is a peaceful spot where water cascades gently, filling the air with a soothing sound. Surrounded by natural beauty, it's a refreshing stop along the way, offering a tranquil escape and a stunning view. God bless you today and always.